Hi, let's talk about how to add a drawing frame and title block in CATIA V5. Consider the component in front of you. At any point during the process of creating the drawing for this component, I can go ahead into Edit, Sheet Background at the bottom. I'm now in the Sheet Background layer, which means I physically can't change anything on the views and dimensions because they live in a different layer. Go into Insert, Drawing, Frame and Title Block. In here, Style of Title Block, if you click on the drop-down menu, you are going to see a couple of options. I'm going to choose Title Block Sample 2 and Action Create. Click OK. And now, as you can see, this automatically created a drawing frame and title block for our drawing. I can now come in, zoom in, and I can change whatever I need. All of these fields are modifiable. If you want to get back into modifying the views of your drawing, go into Edit, Work in Views. Now let's click on the properties of this sheet and let's change the format from A3 to A2 and click OK. Now as you can see, the format of the sheet has changed. However, the drawing frame and title block is still in A3. To correct this, again click on Edit, go into Sheet Background, again go into Insert, Drawing, Frame and Title Block, keep the same style of title block, but instead of Create, click on Resize and click Apply. Click OK. And as you can see, this resized our title block and drawing frame, but kept our entries intact. Now let's see how you can make your own drawing frame and title block. Go into Edit, Sheet Background, and now you have two options. You can either create something completely from scratch, or you can use the title frames within CATIA and modify them to your liking. So let's say that I'm going to click on Insert, Drawing, Frame and Title Block. Again, I'm going to add Sample 2, click OK. And now let's say I'm going to remove Dassault Systems and type in CAD Learning Hub so it appears on all of my drawings. Click OK. And now let's say that in the bottom left corner, I'm going to create a little table with the general tolerances. For this, you can use sketch tools that you can see on the left on my screen. Now, if you don't see these sketch tools anywhere on your screen, just right click on any of these icons and make sure that the geometry creation is enabled. I'm now going to create the table. You can add the text in by using this command called text. If you don't see these commands, make sure that annotations are enabled. And now let's say that I want to save this as a template. All I need to do is go back into Working Views, so Edit Working Views, click on File, Save, Save as Type Cut Drawing, and click Save. I'm now going to add my own template into this drawing. Go into File, Page Setup, and down here, click on Insert Background View. Go into Browse and find the drawing we have just created. Click on it, click Open, and click Insert. Click OK. And now as you can see, our template has been added in. You can click on Edit and Sheet Background, and you can work on this and modify as needed. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.